there are some important things that you have to consider when watching this video. There are some important things that I urge you to do before you go into the interesting part, specifically whatever topic this video is about. Before we get into that, I would urge you to listen to what I say in this video and make some notes as well, rather than just listening, being very unfocused. We don't want to see that. I would urge you to sit down, have a laptop in front of a table, and have a pen and paper, getting ready to make some notes as you listen and watch my video. Or I would urge you to watch this video first, then watch it again and make notes. And another thing is, I tell you to adjust the speed, because some of you guys may think I'm speaking too slow and it is getting boring. I've done this in a number of videos. When I watch a video, I find it too slow, so I increase the speed on the video to times 1.25, times 1.5, times 2, because at the end of the day, a lot of people don't realize the thing that we're always losing is time. Every second goes by is time that is being wasted. So if I'm speaking too fast, on the other hand, you can do the opposite according to your preference by changing to times 0.75, times 0.5, and times 0.25 as you get the picture. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter about the amount of times you watch this video. It's about gaining this knowledge, using this knowledge, and making an impact on yourself and making a change and really getting closer and closer to what your dream and passion is. So that is very, very important. These are important things that you must consider, and I urge you to take this advice on, because I do not want to see students that just wake up and watch this video, or when I see students eating breakfast and watching this video, or when I see students just not focused at all. They're going on somewhere on holiday and they're just watching this video. That's not something that I want to see. I want you to be focused, listen carefully, and focus on what is being said and taking the advice and acting according to the advice I provide.